And during this first module and during the rest of the program, I really recommend that you take the pressure off of yourself. And you can do this simply by just deciding that it's possible that you can feel different by the end of this or at some point during it. So instead of being like, I want to be happy and I'm doing this course because I'm sick of this shit and I'm sick of grief and I don't want to feel this way, I don't want to be happy. Like, instead of that, just, it's possible. It's possible that I'm going to get something out of this program that I really need. It's possible that the grief won't feel so heavy and debilitating. It's possible that I will feel better and learn some things that will really help me now and for the rest of my life. It's the energy of it's possible. It's possible. There is a possibility. It is a possible thing that I could feel better, that I could connect to my loved one, that I could have a new relationship with them and a new relationship with myself and just feel better. It's possible that I was led to exactly where I need to be. It's possible that my loved one had something to do with me being here. It's possible that coincidences are not coincidences. All of this is possible. Just get yourself to the place of it is all possible. And that's it. Don't try to be anything else. Replace the pressure with the possibility of things feeling better and getting a little better. And taking the pressure off of yourself wherever you're at in your grieving journey.